Let's say you are a student and you want to make a presentation that really impressive everyone, or you just want to present your team in a fancier way than just doing this. What if you present your team like ahead? It look like lot of work, but it's just take one click and you just have to decide on the style of curtain you want. Let's say I want to present our team to our customer, and my first slide, if I switch the presentation mode, well, that is what I'm going to get, right? There is nothing fancy to this. Now if I just go to the transition and add the curtain effect to this, so if you click on drop down and select the curtain from here, this is the type of effect that I am going to get. Now there is nothing really fancy about this either. It's just giving me this black curtain. I can't control when it open. The moment I switch the slide view, I get this type of effect. Now what happen when I add an introduction slide to this? I'm going to add a new slide because usually in presentation you have introduction slide. If you just remove this, I don't add anything to this. I just switch to presentation view. Here I switch to the next slide. The curtain becomes white because the slide before this was white. Now check this out. What if we insert the picture of curtain here? Let's go to the insert a picture. So I am going to insert it here because I already have a picture. I am going to go to this device and select the picture of curtain, insert it here. So now take a look. We are going to presentation mode. That is the curtain. So whenever I am ready to present the team, I am going to make a click, and that how it is going to look like. The curtain are going to open and they are going open very smoothly. Now you can control the transition time. So if you go to the transition to curtain duration is an 6 seconds, but you can make this shorter if you don't want them to wait so long until they get to see the slide. So I just to switch it to 4. Now here is how you can take up a notch. Obviously it is not for everyday use, but for a special occasion it is really nice touch to our presentation.